So first thing first is to create this module. And to do that, it's pretty simple. We need to be located under the modules folder right here, as you may see, and create a folder with a name that is like significant name for our topic, which is command product. And for sure, you are free to use whatever name you want. And after that, we have to create another class, PHP class, inside this with the same exact name of the folder with the same exact case. So command product, like so. And inside it, we will do the PHP logic to define our module. So first of all, we need to do some security stuff. And it's by simple checking if you are not accessing this module file directly through the browser URL or something like, for example, a hacker manager to find the path of our website, etc. But we need to block him and not allow him to access the code of this file or run it in any way. So to do that, it's yet pretty simple. We have to do an if statement defined, and we need to check for PS version. Oh, actually, and if this wrong, we have to return false. Simple as that. Okay, you may ask me a question, what does this PS version is? It's simply the version of the Prestashop we are running. Simple as that, and it's defined inside the app kernel here, inside the app directory, and it's defined right here. So 1.761. Simple as that. Now we could start implementing our class. So I'll do class and command product, and all is camel case since it's the class definition that extends the module. And the next thing is to define a constructor for this module to define some properties that I did speed up things. But first of all, I'd like to define the constructor and simply paste this section that I already prepared to avoid like time for useless stuff watching me coding or typing product command and also its kind of things. So let me just explain you what is this. So first of all, I'm defining the name of the product. So it's command product. The author, which is me, the version of the product, the bootstrap true, meaning that this command or this module could use bootstrap for styling, and it's true. We are calling the parent constructor right here, and we are defining the display name that will be used to display this plugin in the back office of our store, and we are defining the domain for the translation purpose. If you are familiar with Prestashop or with WordPress, you know what is a domain. So simply it's for tagging the translation of this word in the back office. Anyway, don't bother yourself. It's not really a big deal. And also we are defining the description of this plugin or module with also the same domain name as the name or display name. Also we are defining the compliancy and which version of Prestashop this plugin could be compatible. And finally, we are defining a global or the main template file for this plugin, and it's loaded using the module. This is actually new stuff on Prestashop 1.7. You cannot do such things in Prestashop 1.6 if I'm not wrong, sorry. And so we are just defining the command product, which is the class name like so, and we are defining the views, template, hook, and the name of the TPL file. And you may ask me why this like hierarchy. It's just a convention, all right? And right here on the template hook, I have my command product.tpl that contain nothing for now. Okay, so now we could go ahead and install this plugin. To do that, we need to go to module catalog right here and search for, just give it a second till it loads its stuff. This is actually one of the bad things on Prestashop 1.7 because it does load like plugins from the internet and mix it between with them that are located locally. But anyway, so let's search for commands. So this is our created plugin, allows store users to leave a command for a product or on a product. But anyway, and hit install. We will expect a message right here, and there you go. So command product succeeded. Now we could go back to module manager and just verify that the plugin is there and is active. Okay, so just give it like seconds because I'm on a Windows machine and it's really slow for such development process. But anyway, so come on. And there you go. So it's loaded. Now we have to, normally it's on the bottom top far one. So there you go. So product command by me, the version 1.0, and all allows store users to leave a command for the product. Pretty good. The module is ready. Now we could go ahead and customize it to fit our needs and do the mission that we are thinking about, commenting the products, leaving, and yeah, that kind of stuff. See you in the next episode.